welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to achieve that perfect, seamless look with your artificial grass, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you exactly how to join artificial grass without any visible seams. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to learn more, stick around because this guide is packed with tips and tricks that are updated for 2024. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before we start, let's go over the tools and materials you'll need. Artificial grass, seaming tape, adhesive, utility knife, straight edge, seam roller, gloves. Step 2. Prepare the grass edges. Lay out your artificial grass pieces side by side, with a little overlap. Use your utility knife and straight edge to trim the edges so they fit perfectly together. This step is key to getting a seamless look. Step 3. Place the seaming tape. With the grass edges prepared, it's time to lay down the seaming tape. Place the seaming tape on the ground where the two pieces will join. Make sure the tape is centered, with the sticky side facing up. Step 4. Apply the adhesive. Now, apply the adhesive evenly on the seaming tape. Spread it out smoothly, so it covers the entire tape. This will help the grass pieces stick together firmly. Step 5. Join the grass pieces. Carefully bring the edges of the grass together over the adhesive. Press down firmly, making sure the edges align perfectly. Step 6. Roll the seam. Use a seam roller to press the seam down. This helps the grass stick to the adhesive and removes any air bubbles, giving you a smooth finish. Step 7. Final touches. After the adhesive has set, you can now add any infill, brush the grass, and trim any excess edges. Brush the grass fibers to blend the seam into the surrounding area. If done correctly, the seam should be virtually invisible. And there you have it, a perfectly seamless artificial grass installation. With the right tools, some patience, and this step-by-step guide, anyone can achieve a professional-looking lawn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks.